All right, hello class, hello Education 555, and let's check out Module 3. Issue Trend Position Development. This week's essential question is, what do you believe? We're going to be using your Vision, Mission, and Creed assignment to apply to a current trend and issue in education. So let's check that out. Required reading, you're going to finish up reading Building School 2.0, reading the last part of that, and you'll also do some reading based on your chosen topic. You're going to see here in a little bit that there's some resources that I have listed that you can pick from, but you can actually pick your own too. In fact, I encourage you to do some research on your own as well. The additional resources are here. You'll want to be able to come back to these because these are the topics that you will use for your personal position statement. Standards-based grading, parental involvement, student home life, pay for performance, and response to intervention. And these are research resources that you can use for your personal position statement, but you can also do your own referencing and resourcing. 3.1 discussion. Now that you've read the second part of Building School 2.0, what do you think? What points are you disagreeing with? What do you agree with? Make sure that your response is reflective and substantive and advances the conversation. Make sure you have at least one reference in APA format. Initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight and 2 other responses by Sunday at midnight. And then let's check out our personal position statement. We know that education is filled with different beliefs, and it's important that we as educators also know what we believe and why. What you're going to do is you're going to develop a statement that reflects your personal position on a specified issue or trend. Those are the topics that I just talked about, the pay for performance, response to intervention. All the resources were available here under additional resources. You're going to pick one of those, and you're going to write a statement that briefly summarizes the issue, recognizes opposing viewpoints, states your personal opinion, incorporates statements from your vision, mission, and creed. There's where that comes in, and contains data or research. You're going to answer these questions in each of the categories. Notice that this is due on Saturday night at midnight. You're going to put your personal position statement in 2 places. One place will be onto this assignment. You're going to upload it there. The other place, and that's due by Saturday at midnight, the other place is you're going to copy and paste it into a discussion board, which you'll see in a little bit. I also want to emphasize that I put assignment exemplars in the course information section. Make sure that you check those out. Personal position statement assignment exemplars. Here's some examples of well done assignments, so you can model that way as well. All right, so the 3.2 learning activity, your personal position statement, you're going to upload that to this assignment, and that's due by Saturday at midnight. And then your 3.3 discussion, you're going to copy and paste your personal position statement to this discussion board by Saturday at midnight. And then you're going to respond to 2 of your other classmates by Sunday at midnight. So your personal position statement gets put in 2 places. The learning activity where you hand it in with a Word document and copy and paste it into the 3.3 discussion. Questions, anyone? For anybody that has questions to ask about anything related to the course. All right, that is Module 3, using our personal position statement for the first time, really implying our vision, mission, and creed. If you have any questions at all, make sure to remember that I'm just an email away and happy to help, and I will talk to you soon.